if you have a gas oven and you're having issues with your cooking times, or even with their preheat taking a lot longer than it should have, you probably need a new igniter. Stick around, I'll show you how to put one in, and you can follow the link in my description to purchase one online. So starting out, obviously we need to remove the racks outside of the oven. It's going to give us access to this bottom panel. You're going to find 4 screws, one in each corner, that need to come out first in order for you to take this part out to access the actual burner. You'll find 2 screws here, one in the front holding it to the frame and then another in the rear. Once you have those out, you can lift this burner plate out and give you access to the wiring underneath. You disconnect those 2 pieces and you'll be able to take the igniter off of the burner outside of the oven. You can see here that this one screw was giving me a hard time on the igniter, so I had to use a pair of pliers to get the shield off of the front of it, because the new igniter came with a new shield, so there's no point in trying to handle it with finesse. Once you get here, you'll notice that the new igniter comes with an open wire end on all of the different wires. So you'll have to cut it off and splice in the actual connection from the old igniter in order for it to work. So you can see there, I've got those ends spliced in, got them taped up, and now we're putting the burner back in place inside of the oven. So once it's sitting back in place, you can go ahead and start connecting everything back to the way it was, making sure that you don't miss the 2 screws on the burner itself, one over the cover plate on the igniter, and then the 4 screws in the corner of the lower shield just above the burner. And we'll go ahead and replace the racks there as well, and we'll fire it up and give it a test. Here the camera's positioned under the oven. We've got it turned on. You see the igniter glowing there. It is getting ready to open up the gas valve, which there we go. We've got ignition. All good. Man, yeah.